Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, July 14th, 2015, and the U.S. stock market is closed. We had another fabulous day today. Things have really come loose here. You can see over here this this crazy stuff we were having back and forth on the Dow, and then on Friday it broke out of this, and we've had 3 straight up days in a row, and these were very powerful up days also. And of course we just keep getting more and more positions, and then it goes up, and it's just really good. We had, we got into a pile of positions yesterday, and then we had a pile of positions down here. This happened. We got out very favorably on those. We got into a bunch more, and then we had follow through today. I mean, this is just the best of the best for us. And we had about $9,000 in open trade equity yesterday. By the time we got out today, we had closed out over $18,000, if you can believe it. We doubled our open trade from yesterday. So we closed out 18, and then we're carrying 6 positive going into tomorrow. I hope our luck doesn't run out here. I'm getting nervous because the Dow is up here above, just above the 18,000 mark, and I can tell it's starting to run out of steam, but I just want us to get out of our positions before it runs out of steam. Anyway, I got to be optimistic. This is really great though. Close out 18 and carry 6. Can't beat that. Dow went up 75 points today. Not a huge move, but that's plenty enough to get us out in great style. I'll show you some of the trades. I mean, again, I can't. I have too many good trades to show you today, but I'll show you. This is our old friend Radius Health. We got into this today, and it just kept going. This has just turned out to be a fabulous cash cow for us, and we are holding over 4,000 in open trade equity in Radius Health. We got another $4,000 one here, and this is closed out. But this was in Gray Television. We bought this on Friday. Nothing much happened Friday. Big move up yesterday, and then it gaps up, if you could believe it, today. So we took over $4,000 out of Gray Television, and this exit was great. I mean, this was looks like pretty much the end of the move there. So we did very nicely in this. The last one I want to show you, sometimes TradeStation 4, when it gets very extreme volatility in wide ranges, it'll screw up the data after I close it. That's what happens. So I can't show you this trade on TradeStation 4. I was in it. I got in on TradeStation 4, but the data today looked terrible. So I'm showing this to you on multi-charts. And I think you can see what happened. We had this huge gap up. This is Anacor Pharmaceuticals, ANAC. Had this huge gap up yesterday, and we bought this huge gap. Those of you who worry about me buying these gaps all the time, look at this trade. We bought it way up here after this huge gap. It kept going, folks. And by the time we got out here, we had over $7,500 in profits. Just a beautiful trade, and we're getting out here right at the top. Beautiful trade, $7,500, and that accounts for a very high percentage of that $18,000 closed out. So just a great trade in Anacor Pharmaceuticals. Anyway, terrific day. This stuff just takes my breath away, but you know, we had a turnaround day, and this is the way it goes, and we're just doing really well. Anyway, this is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Wednesday.